So let's do that. So we have two sets of parentheses. We are going to do just like we did yesterday and distribute what is in the left set to what is in the right set. So we are going to distribute x to x. You guys remember we had a little understood one there in case we need it. What is x times x? Is it 2x or x squared? X squared, so we add our exponents. Okay. And then we do x times 2, which is 2x. You're right. 2x. I have distributed x to everything in the right set of parentheses. Yes. I don't need to distribute it to the 5 because they're sitting together in the same parentheses. Okay, what do I need to do with 5 now? Distribute it to everything. I need to distribute it to the x. What is 5 times x? And I need to distribute it to the 2. What's 5 times 2? Today, unlike yesterday, we will have some like terms. Do we have like terms right now? What are they? Almost always, they will be the ones in the middle. I say almost always because sometimes things are written differently, but it normally doesn't work that way. So x squared plus 7x plus, that is my answer to that multiplication problem. You could distribute from the right. It does not matter. As long as one gets distributed to the other. Alright, so what do we need to distribute first then on number 2? The 2x with what? Which is 2x squared. What else does 2x go in? Which is what? 6x. Alright, now what? And he says, and then to the 3 plus 12. Do I have any like terms? The middle 2. What is 4x, 6x, 10x? 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. I want you guys to try 3, 4, 5. We'll talk about them all in a little bit. Just like we did a second ago, we take everything on the left and distribute it to everything on the right. X times x is x times negative 2. Negative 2x. If you forget the negative, you'll add the like terms wrong. Alright, 1 times x. And 1 times negative 2. Do we have like terms? Yes. Negative 2x and positive 1x is what? Negative x. If you put a 1 there, is that wrong? No. You just normally won't see it. If you're grading on homework tomorrow, I won't care if you have a 1 there. Alright, now is where we get to, we've got a little bit extra, but it's not any different than what we just did, or the extra stuff we did yesterday. X squared times x is x what? X cubed, or x to the third. That's right, because you're adding exponents 2 and 1. Alright, how about x X squared times 2. Okay. 3 times x. And 3 times 2. 6. Are there like terms? Is it in standard form? Okay. Do you guys have time to do number 5, some of you? Oh, okay. I only gave you 3 minutes, and you did 3 problems in 3 minutes. Alrighty then. X squared times x to the 4th. X squared times negative 3. Three times x to the 4th. 3 times negative 3. Is this in standard form? No. If you didn't write it in standard form, do so now. It's not, but you probably won't see it that way. When you probably won't see it anyway, but standard form, but it's not wrong. We're going to glue this in your notebook. I don't remember what page. 98, glued on 98. I mean on the right. Is having 3 terms going to change what we do? No, it just means we're going to do what? We're going to do more. Literally, we're just going to do more. So I'm still going to distribute everything in the left set of parentheses to everything in the right. So what is x times x squared? X cubed. It seems like we've done that a lot by now. X times negative 5x. Negative 5x squared. And x times 4. Two times x squared. 2x squared. See, we're probably going to have like terms, but it doesn't look like they're right next to each other anymore. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10x. And last, 2 times 4. Do we have like terms? Do we have more than one set of like terms? Yes. What is the highest exponent here anyway? We got x to the 3rd. I'm just going to bring it down. What's the next highest exponent? Okay. Does this x squared have a like term? Yes. What is negative 5x squared plus 2x squared? Negative 3. In standard form, what comes after x squared? The x. Does this x have a like term? What is 4x minus 10x? Negative 6x. What would come next in standard form? 8. Does it have a like term? We have put it in standard form and simplified it as much as we can. It is not different than what we just did, other than we have to distribute 3 times instead of 2. More like 6, but you get the point there. Alright, I want you guys to try 7, 8, 9, 10, just keep going. We're going to talk about them periodically. That was a cue. Alright, number 7. Somebody tell me what to do. Okay, distribute 3x to negative x squared. What does that become? 6x cubed. Alright, x times 5x. squared. And 3x times negative 6. Okay. Okay. Okay, is this all right? Is this what everybody got? The first step. I see some no shakes. There is one thing wrong with this. What is it? The negative 18, it should have an x. 3x times negative 6 is negative 18x. Don't forget those x's are 3. Alright, do I have like terms now? Yes. What do you want to bring down first, though? Do you remember like a week or two ago when I said I like to start crossing things out? This is why. We have like 6 things going on and sometimes it gets confusing. Alright, I've taken care of that. Let's just keep going down the line. I've got 15x squared. Does it have a like term? 8x squared. Adding those together gives me what? 23x squared. Okay, I'm going to cross them out again just because it helps me to remember if I have added them together or not. Negative 18x, does it have a like term? Combining those gives me negative 38x. Taking care of them, I'm going to cross them out. 24 is the only thing that's left, so bring it down. Do you guys have time to finish number 8? Yes. Oh, that's a good question. Would 23x squared, instead of squared, would it be to the 4th? What are we actually doing between these two? Adding them. We only change the exponents when we're doing what? Multiplying. So, no, but if we're multiplying, yes. But we're adding, so we don't. Do you guys have time to do number 8 already? Yes, some of you did. Let's go ahead and start number 8 now. Alright, how about 3x times x to the 3rd? Okay. 3x to the 4th, you said? Okay. 3x times 4x squared? I've got more people actually talking this time, but we still have a whole lot. Alright, 3x times negative 7. X, we don't want to make the same problem up there. Okay, now what? I really like distributing a 1. Do you know why I like distributing 1? Everything stays the same. If you distribute a 1, everything stays the same. Just don't forget to, bring it down. Alright, do I have like terms? Yes. Do I want to bring anything down first? Okay, because it doesn't have a like term. We'll cross it out. Okay, how about 12x to the 3rd? Which is 13? 13? Okay. Do I have another like term? Negative 21x? Oh, what's the problem with positive 4x? It's got the square on it, so I can't put them together. Okay, I bring negative, is it negative? No. Positive 4x squared down. How come I bring it down before I bring down the negative 21x? It's got the exponent of 2. Alright, what do I do with negative 21x? What else? So it only had one set of like terms there. That's because we started with x to the third instead of x squared. If you have finished completely number 9, somebody tell me what their final answer for number 9 was. The final answer for number 9. If you haven't finished it, you need to be working it. Okay, you said 3x to the third plus 15x squared minus 10. That one was like what we did earlier. We just went back to what we did before. Okay. Does everybody agree with this? Some people are looking at me and saying, nope. Yep, go ahead. What is wrong with it? Okay. Got to combine these. What is 15x squared minus 2x squared? And I'm going to bring down the other two then. Is it right now? Everybody 100% agrees that it's correct. What's wrong with it? There should be an x on the negative 10. Because 2x times 5 is negative 10x. Negative 2, sorry. I'm going to give you time to do number 10 if you haven't. Number 10. Those of you that are done with 10, I'm going to tell you the homework, but we're going to go over 10 in just a second, okay? I'm going to ask for some to answer in 2 minutes. I think you do have one that is this long on your homework. Yes, number 16 of your homework is that long. Okay. Number 10. X times x to the 5th is what? X to the 6th. X times 4x to the 3rd is? X times x squared is 6x to the 3rd. X times 2x. Negative 6x to the 5th. Negative 24x to the 3rd. I bet we're going to have a lot more like terms. Negative 12x. Good, y'all didn't forget the x. Whoa. Let's just start the left. It doesn't have anything, bring it down. Good. I'm going to cross it out. Because like I said, it gets way too big if I don't start crossing some stuff out. Okay, let's go and find the next biggest exponent though. So we put it in standard form as we go. 4, 3, 2, 5. So let's bring that down. Okay. What's the next biggest exponent? Does it have a like term? No, we got to bring it down too. Okay, and what is 6x to the 3rd minus 24x to the 3rd? Okay, we got 2x squared and negative 36x squared. And you told me it was what? Very good. Your assignment is there. We will grade this one as well, but it's only 9 problems because they take a little while, okay? So pull out or get out page 861. Glue this in on 99 before you start the homework.